just came back from a trip. I got this package. I think I know what it is. This is a set of battery operated wall sconces, which I have a perfect place to use them. This is the base, all the hardware to put them on the wall. Remote controls, the batteries, and these are the actual lights. Well, you have to be connected. I'm going to do this a little bit later when it's dark outside, and I think you're going to like the way I'm going to set this up. So this is the Ouyulong wireless battery operated wall light series. This is the round base, 8000 mAh rechargeable, 3 colors. See a little bit of the instructions, nothing really difficult. Okay, let's assemble this here, at least partially, and then I'll show you out there where I'm gonna use these lights. So they go like so, one of each side, pretty simple. Here are the batteries. I don't know if there's a way to check if they're charged or not, but let's put it in here. Yeah, they are on, so that's pretty cool. Here are the remote controls. Here are the brackets to install them on the wall, and the wires to charge them. Now that I'm here indoors, you can see the different kind of lighting we can get with this. So I'm gonna charge it so just to make sure that they are ready for tonight's show. So you hear the dogs here in the backyard, but don't get bothered by that. Years ago I bought these solar panel LED lights, but over the time they deteriorate and they don't work anymore, so they don't charge. They used to look really nice here in the backyard at night. Obviously, one of my little hobbies is to create art. I'm gonna install it here later. I mean, obviously now I can install it here permanently and show it off there, and I think they will look really nice at night. We'll see. This is my quote-unquote art, which I create using discarded parts from different tools, wood, even a ball there. I have another piece here. This is an eagle. In this case I could hide the light behind here, but we'll see it better at night, or I could actually hang it here to make it look brighter. So we'll see that tonight. The point is that these lights are portable. You can use the bracket there, of course. You can take them anywhere, indoors, outdoors, and they are a really good replacement for these lights. I could also hang them like that, so very versatile. We'll check it at night. So here we are now at night with these lamps. The batteries are fully charged. So let's install it again. Immediately you see the light going on. And let's try the remote control. You can see different settings here. You can turn it on and off with the remote. Make it lighter. You can dim it. You can set times from half an hour up to 4. I want to set up my flashlight there. I don't know if it's gonna do it. Oh yeah, it did it. But anyway, so there you have it. See how cool it looks at night. and no wires, no connections, no anything. How good it makes my quote-unquote art look. Really a great addition to this art piece. And since it doesn't require wires to install it, I can bring it here to my shop and just put it anywhere I want. Turn it on and on with the remote. I could just install it there, for example, change the setting of the light, and I could work here or take it anywhere I want. There you go. I like this product a lot. I think it's very useful. You have to find your own use for it, but again, since it doesn't require any installation, it's basically up to your needs and imagination. I could also use it for to illuminate this alley in the back of my house. Amazing product.